You search for how to buy shares of Helios Towers PLC. The company operates telecommunications tower infrastructure across Africa and the Middle East and is listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker HTWS.L. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker HTWS.L to locate Helios Towers PLC. Make sure you select the listing that shows LSE PLC to find the correct share. On the asset page, you will see a short company profile, a price chart, and basic trading details for Helios Towers. Check the company name and LSE listing to confirm this is the correct stock. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. For convenience, the link to eToro is included in the video description if you want to follow the same steps.